Hello, this is Vasant Williams, UR16GS089. Today I'll explain the second experiment of a compiler lab, that is symbol table generation. So here we're going to create a table which has 10 rows and 6 columns. So each column is for variables, uh, the data type, the value, the function name, etc. So we have created a 2D array, 10 rows and 6 columns. So now we have J, which will be used to navigate across the columns. Okay, so now we are at the zeroth column, that is the first column. So whenever the user gives an input, we take the input and store it in X, and we split it using split function and store each of the word into an array. So now you have flag. I'll explain the use of flag later. So end I equal to 0 until the end of the expression. So string temp equal to is whatever is present in the zeroth index, that is the first value. If flag equal to 0 and check if the initially I will be 0 and plus 1, the next value, and the table we are sending into the check function. So this check function, what it does is it tells if it is already present in the table or not. So using dot equals and table, it is checking if it's already present or not. If it is already present, the flag value will be changed to 1. So if the flag value is 0, it will return 0, which means not present, or it will return 1 if it is present. So according to that, if it is 0, then what we are going to do is, it means that it is not present. If it is 0, it is not present. So we are going to put these in the values in the table. So J represents the row. Initially it is 0, and the first place will be we used to store the data type. Now at the 0 to index, we will store the uh, variable. And if we have a opening bracket, we are going to put the temp at the third index, that is the bracket. Bracket is a symbol, and so on. We are going to navigate using J, that is 0th row, and then we have to put each and every value which we find in the table, and then finally change flag to 1, which means we have put everything at that index number. If it is 0, after 0, if it is equal to, whatever we find after the equal to will be a constant value. So that we'll put it at third column of the table. So this is how we put. And then this is when if we have already declared variable, it will be put in the table. So what this check function will do, if it returns 1, it means the value is already present. I just showed you the check function. It returns 1 if it is already present. So if we get 1 over here, it means the variable is already declared, and hence it will display a message variable is already present. So now this we're checking for more than one variable, and let's say int a comma b comma c. So whenever comma comes, whatever is present after the comma will be another variable. So we have put it in the second column. So this is how we are putting. This is how we are going to navigate across the entire input and also the table, and update the table likewise. And this is used to give the entire output at the end. Okay, let us run this program. So I say int a comma b equals 6, 6 comma c. So I have declared three variables. So a is a variable of type int, and it does not have other things like value and all, it doesn't have. But b is an integer with value as 6. Also c does not have any value. So let me show one more time. Let's say float d equal says D is a float value with float with data type float and value as 4. So that's it. Thank you.